Hi guys, welcome back to HTVRONT YouTube channel. I'm Nick. So today we are back with another tutorial video. So today we are not gonna do vinyls. So what we're gonna do today? What we're gonna do today is sublimation in our t-shirt. So the product we're gonna need today is our sublimation ink and our sublimation paper. You can find this on our Amazon store and on our website as well. So let me open up this sublimation ink package for you to see what we have in this package. So when you open up this package, you can see we have an injector package, which includes 4 injectors, and we have 4 different color ink. We have black, we have magenta, we have yellow, and we have a blue one. So I think that's all, and we have some gloves as well. So that's pretty much all we need today. Oh, I forgot to mention, we also need a big printer here. And don't forget, the one last thing is our t-shirt. The one thing I want to remind you guys is if you want to do sublimation on your t-shirt, the t-shirt has to be a polyester material, or if it includes cotton, it has to be less than 30%. So without further ado, let's get started to the making process. So the image we're gonna use today to print on our t-shirt is this rose skull, or you can call this a rose skeleton. It is very beautiful, right? So the first thing we're gonna do before we officially start our print process is to put your ink into your printer if you don't have enough ink in your printer. So what you're gonna need is the needles and injector to retrieve this ink and inject to this printer. So let's do this right now. So we will be using the cyan color as an example to show you guys how to inject those ink to our printer. So first we open up this bottle and get our injector out. And assemble our needles with the injector together, and let's get the color. And now we can inject the ink to our printer. So we have filled the ink to our printer. So next thing we can do is to officially start our print process. So now we can put this sublimation paper to our printer. So one thing I want to remind you guys is there are 2 sides of this sublimation paper. The one which is the blank side and a side with HTVRONT logo. So when you put this sublimation paper to your printer, you do want to have this paper blank space face to you, and the logo side face up down. The logo side face down. So we can put this sublimation paper to the printer now. And let's operate our computer to print this image. So we already have this skeleton rose or rose skeleton image saved to our computer, and we can open that and click print, and there are some options we can choose. We will print that in portrait. Yes, we will print that in portrait, and the paper size is A4. That's right. And paper type is photo paper. Yes, we're gonna do photo paper made color. Photo paper made colors. Photo size is 8 by 10 inch, which is full size as well. And I think we have everything ready, and we can click print. And now you can hear the sound. That means our printer is start working now. It takes, because this image is colored, not black and white, so it might take some time for this printer to actually print out the image. It probably gonna take a minute or so. So let's just wait a minute, and we will have our image ready in our sublimation paper. So now we have our image successfully printed on our sublimation paper. I just watched my stopwatch. It usually takes around 3 minutes for this image to print on our sublimation paper. So now we can transfer this sublimation paper to our t-shirt. I have a white t-shirt which I showed you guys in the beginning, and I want to remind you guys again that when you transfer this sublimation image to your t-shirt, make sure your t-shirt is not is not cotton material. If it contains cotton, it has to be less than 30%. So the t-shirt I use is a polyester material, so that works. So let's do it right now. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is when you do sublimation on your t-shirt, you also need a heat press machine. So we have our HTVRONT heat press machine right here to help me finish this project. So let's remove those, let's put those inks on the side now, and let's place, let me close up this window, there you go, and let's place the t-shirt on the table and get our image to place on top of our t-shirt, and let's place the image in the middle. Yes, that's probably, it looks like it's in the middle. Okay. And don't forget to use a tape. Don't forget to use a tape to make sure your image is not moved around. So we have successfully placed the image to our t-shirt, and now we can turn on our HTVRONT heat press machine and set up the temperature to 300. The temperature for successfully transferring the sublimation to our t-shirt should be around 380 Fahrenheit, and the time is 40 seconds. So because I have preheat the heat press machine, so now we are just waiting for a couple more seconds and it should be good to go. So 360, it just takes I would say 10 more seconds, and we are all set to heat press this sublimation paper. Okay, time's up. Let's heat press the image. And we can start the countdown. So when you press the sublimation paper, make sure you use some pressure. Make sure you use some pressure. So we have 20 more seconds to go. Okay, time is up. Let's put the heat press machine away. Let's see what our project looks like. So let's remove the tape. Let's remove the tape. And now let's see what it looks like. Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. We have successfully transferred this sublimation image to our t-shirt. So now we have this project finished. Let me show you guys what it looked like exactly. So this is what this t-shirt looks like. So I'd like to wear this t-shirt to show you guys how good it is. Okay guys, I have successfully changed my outfit in less than 1 second, so you can see how cool this image is, guys. So if you like this image, if you like this pattern, you can also make your own sublimation t-shirt in your home. So this is basically everything I have talked about in this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will have new kinds of video upload to our channel every week. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time for another tutorial video. Bye guys.